Everybody, it's Joe once again with Bug and Weed Mart to talk to you today about how to get your house pest-free for the summer. And really what we're going to talk about is the exterior and 3 things to do. The first is you want to try to clear away any clutter that surrounds the base of the house. This could be things like wheelbarrows, extra hoses, tree branches, firewood, things that maybe for the winter were more convenient to keep close. Those have become harborage spots for pests. So let's clear all those away. The second thing that we want to do is pretty simple. We want to walk around the exterior of our home, and where the awning meets the exterior wall, we're going to take a broom and sweep away any cobwebs, any dust, anything that's gotten up there, because we're going to eventually be putting a chemical, invisible, safe, but very effective application to that area. And the third thing you want to do, using the spray products that we have and the granule products for around the property, is you need to put your pest barriers in. We're really good at showing you how to do that. It's fairly inexpensive, it's super easy to do, it's really effective. Come see us, we'll show you how to do it.